Welcome back to this video session once again, and today we have to solve a new question for you. But my dear friends, this question you know already and their solutions you know already. But the main objective of this session is not to solve this question but to create a logic so that you can solve any questions on the basis of this fact in future. Right? So I am sure you will become master to see this video session to solve such a kind of questions in the future examination like maths Olympiad examination. And so my request is to stay with me only for 10 to 12 minutes. So just give me only 12 minutes of your life. That is precious time for you. Okay? Just see here the logic. Just I am going to put here the first one is if m equals plus 1, because m is a positive integer, the question will look like x to the power 1, and that will becomes 4 times 1 square, that is 4. You can write 4 in this way, 1 times 4. Okay, now if m equals plus 2, then the question will become x to the power 2, and that will become 16. Okay, and that can be written as 2 times 2 times 4. Okay. So you can write it here like this way. Once again, if m equals 3, question will become x to the power 3, and that will become 36. And you can write here 3 times 4. Okay, just see here. Now, question number 4 will become m equals 4. X to the power 4, and that will become 64, and this can be written as 4 times 4 times 4. Okay, now I am going to generate a fifth question, m equal 5, x to the power 5, it will become 100. And that can be written as 5 times 4. Just see here. Once again, question number 6. If m equals 6, x to the power 6 can be written as 144. And that can be written as 6 times 4. Okay. Once again, I am going to create a new question for you. Question number 7. If m equals 7, x to the power 7 can be written as 196. And this can be written as 7 times 4. Okay, now see here, question number 8. If m equals 8, your question will become x to the power 8, and it will become 256. And you can write this 8 times 4. Okay? So, you have already seen all the 8 questions. Now, the question number 9. Okay? m equals 9, the question will become x to the power 9, and that will become 324, and you can write here 9 times 4. That is enough to generate a question for you? Really? Very interesting. You have to stay with me till the last of the video sessions. Okay? So just see here. the same color has been put in here. This 4 is fixed in each and every questions. Okay, this 4 is fixed. And what is about 1? This 1 is nothing but the index here. This 2 is nothing but the index here. This 3 is nothing but the index. This 4 is the exponent. This 5 is the exponent. This 6 is the exponent. This 7 is the exponent. The 8 is the exponent. This 9 is the exponent. Okay, my dear students? And so we can generalize it. We can generalize it. If m is equals m, then the question will become x to the power x to the power m, and that can be written as m times this is the fixed 4. Okay, and now this will become nothing but m to the power 1, m to the power 1. If in the product, then the answer will become 4m square. Okay, so my dear students, now we have to solve the value of x for this question. So you can use here the concept a to the power m whole to the power n. You know a to the power m times n, and if you write a to the power n times whole to the power m, once again u to the power n times m, and both the result is same here. So by using the concept of this algebraical identity, we have to solve this question. You can write here x to the power mx, okay, and that will become 4m square, and this is nothing but 2m to the power 2. Okay, now my dear students, you can write here x to the power m whole to the power x equals 2m to the power 2. Okay, now I am going to take the mth power for these equations. So you can write here x to the power m whole to the power x, and once again this to the power m equals 2m whole to the power 2, and once again the whole to the power m. Right? Okay, now you can simplify it. 2m whole to the power 2 times m by using this concept. Okay, so now you can write here x to the power m whole to the power x to the power m, and that equals 2m whole to the power 2m. By comparing the base in the left and right hand side, you can write here x to the power m equals 2 times m. Okay, and if you compare the exponent here, once again x to the power m, that equals 2m. So you have got here two equations, and by simple using, you can write here x can be written as the 2m and mth root of this. So my dear students, this is the general solution for this equation. Okay, now this is not the end. You have to stay with me just only 2 minutes now. Okay, now we are going to put the value of m, that is 4. The answer will become x and 4th root of 2 times 4, and that will become 4th root of 8. Okay, this will be the answer. If you put m is equals 5, your answer will become 5th root of 2 times 5, and your answer will become 5th root of 10. If you put m equal to 6 here, then your answer will become 6 and 2 multiplied by 6, that is 6th root of 12. Okay, so you can generate here. You have a lots of question on this page. Okay, here, and therefore x, just see here, therefore x equals what? X equals 4 root 8. This will the answer. if you put here equals fifth root 10, okay. Now if you put x equals sixth root, and this is 12, okay. Now if x equals 7 root 14, okay. And now if m equals 8, then this is 8th root of 16, okay. And if m equal to 9, then this is the 9th roots of 18 is the answer of this general questions. Okay, so my dear students, you have seen here logical facts related to these questions. Okay, so thank you very much to stay with me, and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe it and share to your friends also. Okay, so I will meet you once again in the next video sessions by taking a good idea and by taking a good question for you. Okay, so take care, thank you very much, and bye bye.